Hey guys, it's Jeremiah from Android Headlines here. Today we're taking a quick look at the Aukey quad USB port car charger. This is a small 4-port car charger that kicks out 48 watts or 9.6 amps total, 2.4 amps per USB port. So just a standard looking car charger. But it's very powerful, being that it can kick out 2.4 amps to each port. In the bottom of the package here, plastic sleeve that the car charger came in, and then the manual. Manual for a car charger really wouldn't seem like a big deal. However, this manual explains the AI power feature of the Aukey quad port car charger. This charger will talk to your phone, figure out what voltage, how much power it needs, and then push that much juice to it without frying your phone. So just a quick look at the Aukey quad USB port car charger.